As Donald Trump re-emerges on the political stage, expectations are elevated regarding his influence on the American political landscape. This resurgence will capture the attention of both supporters and critics alike, particularly as January 20th approaches, a date that may mark the beginning of a renewed political campaign. While supporters anticipate a strong return, skeptics are on alert, awaiting the ramifications of his strategies. Trump's economic policies are likely to revolve around bold tax reforms aimed at reducing tax burdens for businesses and affluent individuals. Advocating for deregulation, he intends to streamline policies affecting crucial sectors such as energy, technology, and finance. Additionally, his approach to trade may entail revisiting existing agreements and imposing tariffs with a critical eye on China, seeking to safeguard American interests. On immigration, Trump is expected to emphasize the construction of a border wall once again, a hallmark of his previous campaign. Stricter immigration controls and deportation initiatives may return to the forefront, with potential executive orders designed to reshape pathways for immigrants. These measures are indicative of his hardline stance, catering to a voter base that prioritizes security. In healthcare, expect Trump to push for a repeal and replacement of the Affordable Care Act, reorienting the national discourse towards private sector solutions. A return to laissez-faire approaches could redefine healthcare accessibility and affordability. On the foreign policy front, Trump's administration might take on a more confrontational posture towards global giants like China and Russia, while faithfully reinforcing alliances with partners such as Israel. The adoption of an America First doctrine suggests an inclination towards isolationism, challenging the conventional diplomatic paradigm. Domestically, anticipate pronounced clashes with mainstream media as Trump continues to leverage alternative media outlets. His populist rhetoric may further polarize the public discourse as he strives to galvanize support from his base amidst a backdrop of division. Evaluating the implications of his policies on global affairs reveals potential shifts in geopolitical dynamics, particularly in the Middle East, Europe, and the Asia-Pacific region. Moreover, a skeptical standpoint on climate change may lead to withdrawal from international accords, favoring fossil fuel industries in the process. In conclusion, Trump's return heralds a complex tapestry of expectations woven with political strategy, societal impact, and global influence, each thread promising a material transformation of American politics and beyond. His legacy will undoubtedly be shaped by how these dynamics unfold,